Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Uh, if you can hear me and voice is clear, my voice is clear. Please respond me in the chat box. And we are going to start our induction section at 5:35 exactly. I'm expecting to the few candidates to be joined into the section. So we'll wait for more 2 or 3 minutes and we'll start our program. Hello everyone. I hope you can see my screen and my voice is clear. If it is yes, please respond me in the chat box. So I'll be going to start our induction section and how it is going to happen overall your mentorship program and what is the process from where you will get what are the mails and everything. Before that, I need any thumbs up symbol or yes response in the chat box. You can see my screen and you can hear my voice clearly. Yes, thank you for the response. I have seen most of the yes response in the chat box. Okay, welcome. Firstly, I would like to welcome you to your Verzeo mentorship program, and this is a common section to each and every course. Whatever the course you are taking, it is not course specific. It is a general section to the each and every one. Okay, and I'm going to start with the slides. What is program and how you will get in classes and everything. As I clearly informed you before that, it is a common section to all the students. It is not course specific, and remaining all the classes apart from this, the rest of the other classes will be held in the Zoom platform only. It is not in the YouTube. Okay, please don't worry for that. As I seen that I have received one message, we can schedule the classes in the Zoom. Rest of the all the classes with your mentor core concepts will be in the Zoom sections only, not in the YouTube. And please note down all the mail IDs and few contact numbers, how you can reach out to us and from which email ID you will be receiving in class mails and class notes and few important things regarding to the projects and technical queries to which mail ID you can drop. So for this, please take a notepad or pen or paper, or you can take a snapshot when I'm showing to the screenshot. So it will be helpful for your further purpose. And please make a note of all the email IDs as I clearly informed you before itself. This is an overall section, overview of the section for you to familiarize the process and the timelines of your program, when you will get the classes and how you will get the classes and everything, and do's do nots, and to familiarize with the LMS, projects, notes, and attendance policy, and how to contact us. This is the overall overview of your this section. I'm going to explain each and everything individually, how you will get and from where you will get, and detailed description about the process and everything. Okay. Coming to the tentative timelines of your mentorship program, the classes is going to held according to the agenda. The agenda will be rolled out to you from onboarding@verzeo.com as you taken the mentorship program. So you will be getting a mail from onboarding@verzeo.com regarding when the class is there and how at what time the class is going to held. And minor and major project will be allocated, assigned to you while classes is going on parallelly. And what is the timeline you will be getting the projects, I'll be explaining you while coming to the project slide. Project submission and evaluation will be taken in the 9th and 10th week of your program. And 11th week, you will be getting an issued certificate on successful completion of the project submission. And if you're not submitted, you will not get certificate. I'm clearly informing you in the initial stage. The projects are mandatory for your internship program. Live classes. While coming to the live classes, all the classes will held in the Zoom platform as I clearly informed to you. Please download the Zoom application in your device and register yourself with your registered email ID and click on the link what we sent before 12 to 24 hours before the section. Then only you can join to the class before that on time. And the classes is going to held as per the agenda, and it will be coming to you to your mail before the 12 to 24 hours from the onboarding itself. And we will be mailing you from onboarding@verzeo.com to your registered email ID itself. If you are not receiving any mails, or if your registered email ID want to change, please reach out to the support team. They are going to change with your details, and you have to mail to us properly. And you must mute the section while joining to the section, because it should not be interrupted anyone in the section itself. So that is the reason you must mute before joining to the class, and you have to join to your class with your registered email ID. Then only your attendance will be tracked. Otherwise, your attendance will be marked as an absent. As I clearly informed you, mics and cameras should be muted during the section. If you're having any doubts, you can raise your hand, or you can post your question in the chat box, and the mentor will be answering by end of the section. I hope this slide is clear regarding to the live classes, how the classes will happen, from which email ID you will be getting the classes. I'm going to the next slide. While coming to the do's and do nots, as I clearly informed you, these are the mandatory things you have to follow while joining to the class, and what you going to do and what you should not do during this program. Join to the section on time, as I clearly informed you, so you will not miss up with any concepts. And join to the class with your registered email ID, and turn in your assignments, and the projects will be given deadlines. You have to submit before the deadlines. If you want to any extensions and anything, so you can reach out to us and ask your doubts by raising your hands and by posting the message in the chat box with your in the Zoom. The mentor is going to resolve your queries. And actively participate in the group project while the project discussion is happening. Please participate actively with your friends. Then only you can improve your skills with your team members, and you can manage your team. So The skills will be improved when you participate actively in the group. And while coming to the do not have any private conversation during the section, like some charts or Instagram, whatever it might be. The other, apart from your email ID also, please do not share in your class timings. And if you are having any issues, please reach out to us. So if you need any help, we can help you throughout the program. And please do not turn on your mic and cameras, as I clearly informing many times, because it should not interrupt your class, and it should not cause any interruption because of you to the overall class. Avoid sharing the personal info and with your peers. Please do not share any personal information in the Google Classrooms. What is Google Class? Well, I will come to the finally where you cannot share your personal information. And don't create any social media groups among yourself. If we got to notice, a strict action has been taken from the Verzeo legal team, and it should not come to your pitch. If you got to know also, please reach out to the support team. Please inform to the support team. We'll be rectifying your issues, and no form of advertisements is allowed inside the program. While during the program, no form of social media advertisements should be allowed inside the program. And while coming to the LMS and the live classes recorded sections, how we will going to get? Live LMS is nothing but a learning management system where you will get all the classes will be recorded and will be uploaded to your LMS. That is an LMS is nothing but learning management system. All live classes will be recorded and it will be uploaded to your LMS portal within 24 hours after completion of your section. Please log into your learn.verzeo.in for your LMS to see your recorded sections. If you are not create an account in the earlier stage. If it is and showing any notification like you have already created, please give your registered email ID in the user interface, user ID, and click on the forgot password. You will be getting a reset password instructions to your registered email ID. Then there you can see your course. If you are not able to log in, if you are facing any issues, please reach out to our support team. How to reach out to the support team and where you can reach out to us or calls or mails, I'll be going to give by the end of the section how you can approach to us and everything. And the section, after completion of the section within 24 hours, the video will be successfully uploaded to your LMS portal. And yes, you having the LMS for 6 months, you will be having the access to your recording classes duration total 6 months from the starting of your course. For example, if you consider total 2 months of your internship program, mentorship program for this particular course, 2 months of the course duration plus 4 weeks extra you will get for your content reference, whatever anytime you can see the videos of your course at any time. Okay, the total duration will be the 6 months. If you need more extension, please reach out to the support team. They will be giving in some procedure. You have to follow that procedure, then only the extension will be provided. While coming to the attendance policy, as I clearly informed you before that, in the do's and do nots in the earlier stage of the section, you have to log into your registered email ID. Then only the attendance will be marked as present. We'll be tracking the whole course attendance process. If you are maintained 80% in your attendance, you will be getting an second course, some discounts, sort of discounts. For that discounts, you can reach out to us. So we'll be verifying all the details. Then only your discount will be approved. Or if you maintain the 90%, you will be receiving an portfolio of the LMS portfolio for the resume building or personality development, some soft skills with free of cost if you maintain the 90%. And we will be sharing your resumes with our partner companies if there is any vacancies in your, or if your profile is matching what the project work you did. Each and everything will be tracked, and if it is up to the mark, so the companies will get in touch with you. And while coming to the notes and assignments, we'll be providing you the required notes in a bulk to our students. It will be emailed to you from mentors@verzeo.com. You can note it down, or you can take a snapshot or whatever. You can take a screenshot. This is an email ID where you will get an notes for your particular course. The notes will be delivered from the, will get it from the mentor, and the mentor is going to share in the regular classes as well, but we will be sharing you at once in the middle of the course or before giving you to the projects. The notes will be delivered to you. You can refer your notes and you can complete your projects and everything. Assignments has been given by the mentor. It is for the practice purpose only, and it doesn't, you don't need to submit, but the project you have to submit. If you get any mail regarding to the projects, and if they given the problem statement for that, you have to submit 100%. It is mandatory. Assignments are not mandatory. It is for the practice purpose only. Okay. Yes, finally, we are into the project phase, where you will get the projects and how you will get the projects and when you will get the projects. The projects will be allocated in the between to the 6th to 8th week of your program. And the minor project will be given a deadline of 1 week, and major project, the deadline will be the 2 weeks from the allocating date. Minor project should be completed and submitted, and then only we will be issuing the course completion certificate. And major project you have to complete and submit for issuing of the internship certificate. Deadline will be extended with the valid reason. You have to drop a mail to the support regarding that. Then only if reason is valid, then only the extension will be provided from our end. Yes, major project is a group project. You will be divided into the various groups into the Google Classrooms from our end, and you can coordinate among yourself, and you can complete your project after by successfully, and you can submit to the process. While I'm going to explain in the next slide, you will be getting an Google Classroom invitation from our end before giving into the major project. If you want to team up with your friends, in case you and your friend has been joined into the program, you can reach out to us by mailing your and your friend's email ID to team up into the same group. If you are in the same group, no need to worry. You can coordinate among yourself and you can complete your project. No need to worry for that. Yes, I clearly informed you before only. There is no social media groups should be created in the project phase. If you created and if you get to notice that, a strict action will be taken from our end. Is it clear to everyone till in the project phase? And while going to the project submission and doubts, how you can reach out to us and how to submit the project. As I informed you in the before slide, you will be getting the projects on the tentative timelines in the previous slide. The projects you will be getting from the projects@verzeo.com to your registered email ID, and a detailed description will be there in the project, how to submit and where to submit. There will be a Google form in that particular mail itself. There will be a click here button. Once if you open that, a pre-filled Google form will be opened. If it is not opening or it is asking an request access, you can register. You can log in with your registered email ID. Once if you open the Google form, there will be a pre-filled details like name, email ID, phone number, course, some basic details. And next step is how you are going to submit your project. It might be on Google form, it might be on document, Google Drive, or it might be on Google document, or it might be in PDF. So you have to select according to that. And if you're doing a multiple set of database or whatever it might be, if you're multiple files, I suggest to you guys to upload into the Drive folder, and you can share the Drive link in the submit part, and you have to give share access to anyone over the Drive link restrict permissions. If not means a discrepancy mail will come. We have to do that again. It will be getting delayed for your certificate. So to avoid that, please share that Google Drive link to anyone, or at least to the project's email ID, how to submit it up. Give the share access. So then only the projects will be checked and given you to the certificates on time. Upload your projects or file and submit it up as a clearly informed you. It might be a Google Drive, it might be a document, means you can prepare the document and you can submit as per your mentor instructions, or whatever the project you are doing. According to that, you can submit it off. And if you're having any doubts, you can mail to us, or you can reach out to support team. So we'll be forwarding your query to the concerned person of the your mentor, and he will be rectifying your doubt, and he will be explaining you. If you are, and as you can see the third point, as it is a pre-filled Google form. If there is any mistakes like name or email ID, or if your first name or last name is not proper, or your spelling, name of the spelling while your pre-registration, what the name is there, that is only is there in our records. If there is any corrections, please reach out to the support team. Please don't edit there. If you edit it also, you will be getting a mail regarding that corrected details. Again, you have to drop a mail to the support. So better, if there is any corrections in your name or email ID, please drop a mail to the support. My name is not correct, or your email ID or your phone number is not proper. So the team will be looking into that, and they will be doing the changes, and they will be replying you within 24 to 48 hours. And if you are having any technical doubts, you can mail to the mentors@verzeo.com also. So the mail will be checked by our executives, and it will be forwarded to the concerned department, concerned persons. While mailing to the support team, please, if you are mailing a technical doubt regarding to your concepts, please mention your course and your batch, and please clearly mention your doubt in the detailed description in the mail. Then only the mentor is going to understand you are facing some issue over here. If you're having any sort of screenshots where you are stuck over there, please attach that screenshots also. We'll be forwarding, and your mentor is going to respond as soon as possible. And while coming to the certificates, after completion of the course completion, certificate will be sent after evaluation of your minor project. The minor project will be taking time to evaluate 2 to 3 weeks after completion, successful submission of your project. And you will get an internship certificate will be submitted after evaluation of your major project. It will take 1 to 2 weeks after submission for checking the process and generating of the certificates and everything. Your mentor must not have any idea about your certificate. So we suggest you contact to the support team for your certificate related queries or whatever it might be. Only the mentor contact is he will be explaining you the concepts to you, and he will be clarifying your doubts. That's it. He is not aware about what the program you are in, whatever the things, where you are, and what is the exact status, attendance related, everything you will be tracked from our team only. For that type of queries, you can reach out to the support team only. Please do not contact your mentor regarding that. If you're having any technical doubt, you can reach out to your mentor if he given his email ID to you in the classes. And your certificate will be emailed to you from support@verzeo.com. You can take a printout of that certificate, or you can submit wherever you want. And where we have only the mentioned a general certificate over here. If we are having any different certificates or promised from our executives, so you will be getting that. No need to worry that it will be tracked from our system itself. And finally, how to contact us? You can reach out to us in mail as well in the calls. How to mail us? All the queries must be mailed to support@verzeo.com. You will be receiving and reply mail within 24 hours, and a quick reply will be given to you via mail. There will be some instructions how LMS, how the projects will going on. Whatever the instructions we have given in this section, it was documented and given in the quick reply mails. If your query has been resolved over there, no need, well and good, your query was solved in the earlier stage. If it is not solved also, solved or not solved also, one of our executive will be allocated to that particular query and he will be resolving your query, and the replies will come in the form of tickets. You must reply to the same ticket if you need any further assistance respect to the same topic. Please do not compose the multiple mails. It will be the difficult to track, or it might be difficult to respond a quick response to your query in the good manner. So it might be delayed, or it might be the some issues over there. If it might be delayed also, right? So for suggestion, please don't compose multiple mails, and please avoid multiple mails. Please reply to the same ticket, so the same person will be handling your query and he will be giving a quick response to your mail. Please compose and console mail. As I clearly informed you, please reply to the same mail what you are mailing before itself. So should not compose multiple mails. If you are having an other query apart from that particular query, you can compose and mail. You can call us on 08047166567 between 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. to the 8 p.m. And we will be working all the days in a week. From 11 to 8, in middle, a lunch break will be there. So that time the executives will be in the off. So please, we suggest you to call from the 11 to 2 and 3 to 8 in all the days in a week. When you mail us, you will be receiving as I clearly informed you, FAQ documents. The query will be, most of the times the query will be resolved if you seen that document properly. So if your query was not resolved also, we will be one of our executive will be allocated to your query, and he will be giving a clear cut explanation to your query. Okay. And finally, we have answered all the queries about the timings, agenda, LMS, attendance, batch formation, a lot more. So we'll try to resolve most of the queries possible over the chart as well from now. And we have already sent you the mails and details about our course and induction class, FAQ document. Please go through the mails what we have sent in the name of the Verzeo. Once open your mailbox, check the spam and promotions box also regarding to the Verzeo internship. What are the mails you received? Please go through all the mails. What are the mails it is received to you? Please don't ignore the mails. If you are ignoring the mails, means you would be missing out something. So it should not interrupt your program. And finally, we would like to once again appreciate your decision in taking up an Verzeo program with us, mentorship program with us. We wish you all the best of luck, your mentorship training program with Verzeo. And finally, thank you guys. From now, whatever the queries you are having, you can post in the chat box. I will be here available more 20 minutes to resolve your queries. Whatever the query you are having, please reach out to in the support in the chat box. If you are having any queries after this section also, you can mail to the support email ID as I previously showed to you. These are the email IDs and contact number. You can reach out to us after this section also. No need to worry. If you are not getting any agenda of your particular course, please don't get panic. We'll be sorting out and we'll be getting a schedule from your mentor, and we will be sending you as early as possible, mostly 24 by 6th, 5th, 6th or 7th, you will be receiving all the training agendas. Before the class starts only, you will be getting the agenda as well. The class mails you will be getting 24 hours prior to the class itself. If there is some emergency to your mentor, the class might be cancelled, that it will be rescheduled, and it will be notified to you in the earlier stage. If there is any emergency in middle of the class, we'll be intimating you and we will be rescheduling the class. The classes will be starting as per your agenda. The agenda will be rolled out to you. If there is any delays also, it will be notified to you. Okay, no need to worry, don't get panic. The notifications will be given to you via the mail itself, each and everything. Please check your mail in a daily basis so you will not miss out anything. The group formation, it will be happen by the second month mid. If you consider November, you are in the November batch, right? So it will be in the December mid, the group formation will be happen. If you want to team up with your group project, you will be getting a mail to your registered email ID. Each and every information will be mailed to your registered email ID. Sir, when I am displaying the same numbers, support number and support email ID, where you can reach out to us. If there is any class by tomorrow, you will be getting a notification by today end itself. Don't worry about it. Okay, sir. I want to change the timings and sorry, the timings will not be changed. Yes, why we prefer evening sections, because most of the they're going to the colleges and they should not clash with the college timing, right? So that is the reason after the college timings from 5 to 9 in a weekdays, and Sunday it will be starting from the 11 to 9 in middle, at any 2 hours or 1 hour of the section it will be conducted to you. We cannot change the timings into the morning timings. For making, should I need laptop? I did not get you current exactly. Can you post it up again? Thank you. If there is any class by tomorrow, you will be getting an agenda. Agenda means when the class is going to happen, at what time and what date. So the mail you will be getting from onboarding@verzeo.com. Please check that mail. There will be an below. It was a PDF with your course name, or in the agenda there is a click button also. View the PDF so that you can see that. If you clear the payment, the classes will start for you. Yes, the Zoom, you will be getting an class mail in the connect button itself. There is also click button. You can click it out there. So there it will be redirected to your Zoom application, and there it will be asking your name, email ID, first name, last name, email ID 2 times confirmation. Once if you're registered, you can directly join into the class at particular time. Please check the timings of your class if you received a mail regarding to the class mail. Certificates will be sent in the mail itself. Will not send any sort of copies to your address or something. It will be sent in the mails itself, mail soft copies. Yes, it will be. I suggest you need a laptop for your projects, because it might be an technical or coding related, means the codes will not run in the mobile, right? So you must need the laptop. Yes, Girish, I repeat same sort of questions. The question that it will be there in your agenda at what the class is going, when is going, the class is going to start, and at what time the class is going to start in your agenda. Please check that. If you have not received the agenda, please don't worry. You will be getting as soon as possible. Sunday, I'm not saying that it will be starting from the 11. It will start from the 11. If there is any slots are available in the evening, only we'll be prepared to keeping in the evening sections only. Don't worry about that. Language, what requirement does laptop should have? The basic version, it is fine for your laptop. what are the specifications, what the work you are doing. You have to decide yourself, and if you need any suggestions, you can reach out to the any nearby stationaries, and you can get it sorted over there. When will be the data Python course will start? Uh, the agenda might be received to you. If not, means I'm repeating you the same thing. If the agenda was received to you, delivered to you, means please check out that mail from the onboarding at the rate of Verzeo.com. If not, means don't get panic. You'll be receiving soon. Himabindu, if there is any class by tomorrow, means we'll be giving you the class timing, class mail by today itself. If there is any class by tomorrow, at what time it will be given to you via mail only. Uh, Dikshit Raj, we cannot change the timings. If you are having any sort of issues, please reach out to the support team. Yes, the classes will be coming in the mail itself. For classes, I will not say that system is mandatory. If you want to practice parallelly with your mentor, the system is required for your course. You can attend from the mobiles also, not an issue. But while your mentor might be giving a small task in the class, so that time you cannot do the task in the mobile, right? So that is the reason. The class mails will be shared in the email itself, not in the mobile numbers. If there is any future updates, if you are going to do, like we are going to share in the WhatsApp also, we'll be notifying you. But as of now, no. So if you miss this section, it will be uploaded to your LMS by tomorrow morning. You can refer this video at n number of times. It will, you can watch from starting onwards. Uh, if you are not having the laptop while doing the projects, it might required, so you can borrow from your friends and you can finish your project. So if you're not good in the coding also, please listen to our classes. You might be getting the coding tips and everything, how to do and where to do, how to run the projects, from each and everything will be explained from our mentors. And based on that, you have to work on more if you are not having the coding knowledge from the base onwards. So at least from base idea onwards, your mentor will be explaining you. You will be having an clear cut idea how the code will run and everything. But apart from this, you can practice from for yourself, and you can learn more by yourself also, as a suggestion. Class Babu, Baba. Uh, the class timings, as I informed you multiple times, the class timings and dates will be rolled out to you in the form of agenda. The agenda mail will coming to your mailbox. Who has been cleared the payment and who is up to the mark in the database, they have already received. Who has been not received and they cleared the payment also, please don't get worry about it. You will be getting the agenda mail as soon as possible before the course starting itself. If you're having any doubts in your project phase, you can reach out to your mentor. He might be giving you the email ID of your mentors. If he is not giving, you can reach out to the support, and you can will be forwarding Guys, sorry for the interruption. I have missed the audio connectivity to my system. Okay, I have joined to the other system. Um, where is yeah, thank you. The laptop is mandatory for the class. Thank you. So we'll install the system and is there any? If there is any required softwares for your particular course, your mentor is going to explain you how to install and everything. Don't worry about it. Okay, Ritvik, please reach out to the support team. They will be helping you how your friend can make a payment and everything. No need to worry about it. We'll be helping you. If you have paid the registration amount, I will be pay. You have to pay the remaining amount in the rest of the amount. The installment will be accepted before the course start. If already course is started, means the installments will not be paid. Accepted. Mm. I think my voice is clear now. You can hear my voice clearly, if I'm not wrong. Guys, please respond me in the chat box. I can hear you can hear me if there is any interruptions for the network. Yeah, thank you, Mabindu. Guys, if you're having any questions, please ask me. I will be here more 5 minutes for your clarification, for your clarifying your doubts. Ritvika Singh, you will be receiving an agenda because I'm not having any idea because there are more than 20 to 25 courses in Verzeo. So I'm not having any idea which course when it will be starting. For that, please check your mail. If you're not received, means please reach out to us to the support team. So they will be explaining, giving you the details. If the agenda will be rolled out, means the class in that agenda itself. Tell about the recorded classes. The recorded classes means whatever the class it was happened now. So like how I came to the class and I explained you the process of the Verzeo mentorship program. Same way he will be coming to the class and he will be explaining the technical topics, and that video will be recorded and it will be uploaded to your LMS. That is called recorded sections, recorded classes. That recorded classes, it will be uploaded into your LMS. I'll be showing you that LMS page. This is the URL, learn.verzeo.in. You can go to the Google Chrome and browse learn.verzeo.in and you can sign up. You can see that. And there will be an webinars. It will be conducted from our end. If you are interested, you can join. If you are having any webinars in the Verzeo itself, we will be technical webinars is there from our end. We will be notifying you. If you join, means we'll be getting the some sort of participation certificates and everything. If there is any sort of webinars, we'll be notifying you as well. We will be updating you the details where and when it is the webinar, so you can join to the section and you can participate in that. Guys, I hope I have cleared all the doubts for you, and I wish all the best for your mentorship program with Verzeo. Once again, thank you for all of your time and joining our Verzeo internship program. If you're not having any issues or no doubts, you can leave the section and you can get back to your works. Thank you for once again. I'm thanking you guys for your valuable time and joining to our section. And best of luck, Sumit. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for each and everyone. I'll be there for more 2 minutes. If you're having any issues regarding the program or whatever the things, you can ask me more 2 minutes. If not, means I'll be wind up in the section. And if you are having any more doubts, you can reach out to the support team. Yeah, you can drop a mail to the support at any time, but the response you can expect within 20 to 24 hours. If the calls means the call timing, I showed you in the previously also, again I'm showing you the call timings is from 11 to 2 and 3 to 8. Yes, if classes is from the Monday means you will be getting by the Sunday evening your class link around 8 or 9 o'clock. You will be receiving your class mail to your registered email ID. Once go through all the instructions what we provided in your class, and you can join into the class according to the particular timetable your classes is going to held. Yes, you will be getting an Zoom link only. There will be a click button, so you no need to do the sign ins and again into the same thing. Once if you click on that, it will be redirect to your Zoom application. Before clicking to that button, you should have the your Zoom application in your device. Might be a laptop, might be a mobile or tab or system. So the Zoom application is mandatory. Please download your Zoom application and click on that button. It will be asking for the registration process. The registration where it is tracking for your attendance purpose. Please log in with your registered email ID and give the registered email ID in the email ID place and registered name in the name, first name and last name, and continue the class. So the class will be held according to the timing what we are given. If there might be a buffer time, 2 to 3 minutes, that's decided. So to set up your mentor, everything. So don't get panic till 5 minutes buffer time. Please allow us 5 minutes buffer time to join your class. If it is hosted before itself, no need to worry, you can join. Your mentor will set up everything and he will be coming into the class. Guys, I hope I have cleared everything and I'm going to the end this section. I wish all the best for your Verzeo mentorship program, and I hope you enjoyed this section and I have cleared my best to all of your doubts. Take care. Bye bye. I received one question regarding that where you can miss, where you are going to miss if you miss your live sections, where you can watch. You can watch in the LMS, that is a learning management system. I explained in this section. Please once again go through that and you will be getting your live recorded sections if you miss any class. I hope I have cleared all the doubts. I'm ending the section. Thank you. Bye.